Hi everyone. Welcome back to Easy Learning English. Today, we're going to talk about something that happens to almost every English learner. You can understand English when you listen, but when you try to speak, your brain freezes. Don't worry, that doesn't mean you're bad at English. It just means you haven't trained your mouth enough yet. So in this video, I'll explain why that happens, and then we'll practice together using a simple but powerful method called shadowing. Ready? Let's start. When you listen to English, your brain understands the words. But your mouth stays quiet. So even if your brain knows the meaning, your tongue and lips don't know how to move yet. It's like watching people dance every day. You understand the steps, but you can't dance until you move your own body. Speaking is the same. You need to train your mouth muscles, and shadowing helps you do that. Shadowing means repeating what you hear, immediately, as the speaker talks. You don't wait until the sentence ends. You speak with the speaker, just like their shadow. When you shadow, your mouth starts copying the rhythm, pronunciation, and tone of native speakers. It's not about memorizing. It's about training your ear and mouth together. Here's how you can do it. Step 1, listen carefully first. Step 2, repeat together with me. Step 3, feel the rhythm. Step 4, keep doing it every day. Now, let's practice together. I'll say each sentence twice, first slowly, then naturally. You'll repeat after me. I'll also tell you when to pause. Section 8, Daily English Practice. Repeat after me. I'm learning English every day. I'm learning English every day. I listen carefully and speak confidently. I listen carefully and speak confidently. My English improves each time I practice. My English improves each time I practice. Listening helps me understand. Speaking helps me grow. Shadowing trains my mouth to speak naturally. Shadowing trains my mouth to speak naturally. Now, let's build confidence. I'm not afraid to make mistakes. I'm not afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake helps me learn. Every mistake helps me learn. I speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. I speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. I'm doing better than yesterday. I'm doing better than yesterday. I'm proud of myself for trying. I'm proud of myself for trying. This time, focus on sound and emotion. I love learning English. I love learning English. English is fun and exciting. English is fun and exciting. I can speak naturally and confidently. I can speak naturally and confidently. My voice sounds better each day. My voice sounds better each day. I enjoy every step of my learning journey. I enjoy every step of my learning journey. Now, let's end with motivation. I can understand English easily. I can understand English easily. I can express my ideas clearly. I can express my ideas clearly. I don't need to be perfect, I just need to practice. I don't need to be perfect, I just need to practice. Every word I say builds my confidence. Every word I say builds my confidence. English is easy when I practice every day. English is easy when I practice every day. Great job, everyone. You did amazing today. Remember, if you can understand English but still struggle to speak, keep shadowing every day. Your brain already knows the words. Now, your mouth just needs to catch up. So keep listening, keep repeating, and keep smiling. This is Easy Learning English, where you listen, shadow, and speak with confidence. See you in the next video.